Hi, my name is Joseph. I'm the lab manager at James Cook University, Singapore. And I'm here at Sea Aquarium, and I'd like to show you our setup here. We have a very basic aquaponics system. So, in a nutshell, aquaponics is a way of growing plants alongside aquatic animals. So, what we have here are some crayfish. They produce the waste, and what happens is the water carries that waste into the second stage here is where we have the bioballs, where we have the bacteria. What the bacteria does is it converts the ammonia into nitrites, into nitrates, and those nitrates are the plant food. So those are being pumped up into this upper level here where we have some basil, we have some mint, and yeah, the plants grow. Of course, we will need to do this under sunlight or under grow lights, what we have here. So we have some grow lights, and then the water just flows back into the water tank, into the fish or crayfish tank, and that completes the cycle.